Question number 1. A park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C 90 degree, AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter and AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? First we draw the diagram of a quadrilateral. In this diagram, angle C is 90 degree. So AB is 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter, AD 8 meter. Find the triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. Then we find the BD with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle BCD, BD square equal to BC square plus CD square, 12 square plus 5 square equal to 144 plus 25. So BD square equal to 169 and BD equal to 13 meter. Then we find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. The quadrilateral ABCD in a two triangle BCD and ABD. Therefore, the triangle is an right angle triangle. So we find the area equal to BCD 1 by 2 base into height, 1 upon 2 12 into 5 30 meter स्क्वायर. एरिया BCD को फाइंड करने के लिए हमें एक ट्रायंगल जो BCD दिया हुआ है वो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है. तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल की एरिया हम 1 अपॉन 2 बेस इंटू हाइट के आधार पर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, देन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ABD. इन ट्रायंगल ABD S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 and A 9 plus 13 plus 5 equal to 2. 8 30 upon 2 is equal to 15 meter. So the area A equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S 15 minus 9, 15 minus 13 and 15 minus 8. So 15 6 into 2 into 7, 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 2 into 7. Now make the pair of numbers to out the square root. So 3 make a pair and 2 make a pair. So 6 under root 35. So the total area of a quadrilateral is total area equal to 30 plus 6 under root 35. If the answer is in decimal but you find the area in square root. Clear? Okay. Question number 2. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3. Question number 2. The quadrilateral ABCD A, B, C and D. AB equal to 3, BC equal to 4, CD equal to 4, DA equal to 5 and AC equal to 5. Now the quadrilateral divided into two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC, and the three sides of each triangles are given. AB 3, BC 4 and AC 5. In triangle ADC, AD 5, CD 4 and AC 5. So we separate taken the triangle ABC and ACD to find the area of triangle with the help of Heron formula. So in triangle ABC, S is equal to AB equal to 3, BC equal to AB equal to 3, BC equal to 4 centimeter and AC equal to 5 centimeter. So S is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2 equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6 centimeter. The area equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 5. Now equal to area equal to 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 2, that's equal to 2 into 3, 6 centimeter square. And the area of triangle ADC, area of triangle ADC in triangle ADC, AD equal to 5, CD equal to 4 and AC equal to 5. So S is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. So the area S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, that's equal to area 7 minus 5, 7 minus 4 and 7 minus 5. 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 under root 21. Total area equal to area of ABC plus area of area of ADC equal to
6
plus 2 under root 21. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And a parallelogram have the same base. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area if the side of triangle are 26, 28 and 30 and the parallelogram stand on the base 38 centimeter. Find the height of parallelogram. In this question, a triangle and a parallelogram are given. Then the area of triangle is same as the area of parallelogram and the parallelogram on the base of 28 centimeter. If we find the area of parallelogram, then area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Then we find the height equal to area upon base, and if we find the area with the help of triangle, because the area of triangle and area of parallelogram is same, so we find area of triangle A, B, C and D. S is equal to 26, 28 plus 30 upon 2, 4, 84 by 2 and 42. So the area equal to 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30. 42, 16, 14 and 12. Now the area equal to 42 write as 6 into 7, 4 into 4, 2 into 7, 2 into 6. Now we make a pair 6, 2, 7 and 4. So 6, 7, 4 and 2. The area equal to 42 into 8, 336 centimeter square. This area is the area of parallelogram. Therefore, area of parallelogram equal to 336 centimeter square. And I know that area of parallelogram equal to base into height. base into height. So base equal to 28, height unknown, and the area 336. Therefore height equal to 336 upon 28. 2 14, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 7, 2 8 are 2 4 are 7 1 are 12, and the height is 12 centimeter. Because we find the height of a parallelogram is 12 centimeter with the help of triangle, with the help of area of triangle, and the area of triangle is same as the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is 336, and we find the height from this formula. Area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Clear? Thank you.